It is useful to learn how to enter a formula into many cells at the same time. So just explain what we mean. In this cell here, I want to create a formula. It must just say that plus this. However, that same formula applies to all of those, and it actually applies to all of these here as well. So what I can do is I can highlight all of these, hold my control key down and highlight all of those. And now in this active cell I enter a formula. So I'm going to type equals that plus that. If I pushed enter now, then what would happen is only the formula would only be entered here, and you'd have to either copy paste or recreate the formulas. But if I hold the control key down and then push enter, what happens is that same formula is entered in all the cells that we've highlighted. So what we've achieved here is we've skipped the copy paste step. We highlighted, we created a formula, we did control enter, and this formula went everywhere. So this can improve your speed, but it also helps when you're doing more complex calculations.